Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning modern floating house surrounded by lush greenery and calm water. The two-story structure features large glass walls that seamlessly blend the indoors with the natural environment. The architecture combines sleek black metal frames, warm wooden accents, and an abundance of plants cascading from the rooftop and balconies, creating a perfect harmony between modern design and nature. Inside, the cozy bedroom glows warmly through the glass, illuminated by soft lighting that reflects beautifully on the water's surface. The upper level includes open terraces covered with dense greenery, while the lower deck extends over the water, offering a peaceful space with outdoor chairs for relaxation. The serene atmosphere, mirrored reflections, and surrounding trees evoke a sense of tranquility and eco-luxury, a perfect retreat hidden within a vibrant forest oasis. A breathtaking modern hillside mansion surrounded by lush greenery and overlooking a scenic valley. The architecture features clean lines, expansive glass walls, and sleek black metal frames, creating a perfect blend of luxury and minimalism. The house spans multiple levels, each designed to capture natural light and panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. The lower level opens onto a spacious terrace with an infinity-style swimming pool, reflecting the warm glow of the interior lights. Wooden decks and comfortable lounge chairs enhance the relaxing atmosphere, while indoor spaces seamlessly connect to the outdoors through sliding glass doors. Inside, warm lighting and contemporary furnishings add to the home's inviting elegance. The upper floor includes private bedrooms with balconies, offering a tranquil space to enjoy the sunset and the beauty of nature. Overall, the image portrays a masterpiece of modern architecture, a serene retreat that combines sophistication, comfort, and harmony with its natural environment. A beautifully designed modern tiny house made from a repurposed shipping container, perched on a mountainside with a breathtaking panoramic view of distant peaks and valleys at sunset. The home's exterior is painted a deep navy blue, contrasted by warm wooden accents that frame the doors and windows. A cozy wooden deck extends from the front, furnished with simple wooden chairs and surrounded by vibrant wildflowers and lush greenery. Inside, warm lighting glows through large glass doors, revealing a minimalist yet inviting interior with wooden walls and a comfortable bed facing the sunset. The roof of the house features solar panels and a lush green garden with flowering plants, blending the structure harmoniously with its natural surroundings. In the background, the fading sunlight casts a golden hue over the landscape, creating a peaceful, dreamlike atmosphere. Overall, the scene captures the essence of sustainable mountain living, modern, eco-friendly, and perfectly connected with nature. A beautifully cozy modern living room inside a container-style cabin nestled in a snowy forest. The interior features warm wooden ceilings and light wood floors, creating a perfect contrast with the cold, wintry landscape visible through the large floor-to-ceiling glass windows. A comfortable L-shaped sofa covered with fluffy throws and soft fur pillows sits in the center, inviting relaxation. A small coffee table holds candles and a cup, adding to the warm, intimate ambience. In the corner, a black wood-burning stove glows with a gentle fire, with neatly stacked firewood below, enhancing the rustic charm. Soft lighting from ceiling spotlights and the flickering firelight together create a serene, welcoming atmosphere, a perfect winter retreat that combines modern design, natural elements, and cozy comfort. A stylish modern house made from repurposed shipping containers, blending industrial design with natural elements. The exterior combines sleek gray metal panels with warm wooden accents, creating a balanced and inviting aesthetic. Large sliding glass doors and windows allow natural light to flood the interior, offering seamless indoor-outdoor living. The home features lush greenery throughout. Plants cascade down vertical garden panels on the walls, while the rooftop is covered with vibrant shrubs and potted plants, enhancing the eco-friendly design. A small wooden deck at the front is furnished with 2 modern chairs and yellow cushions, providing a cozy outdoor seating area surrounded by nature. Set against a backdrop of tall trees and greenery, this container home perfectly harmonizes sustainability, modern architecture, and comfort. A stunning modern 2-story house made from repurposed shipping containers, set in a serene snowy forest. The home features a sleek black exterior with large glass windows and sliding doors that allow natural light to illuminate the interior while offering panoramic views of the winter landscape. The ground level includes a spacious wooden deck partially covered in snow, furnished with cozy seating, soft blankets, and a few rustic wooden stools that add warmth to the scene. Small evergreen trees surround the deck, enhancing the connection between the architecture and its natural environment. The upper level features a balcony with a minimalist railing, perfect for enjoying the peaceful snowy surroundings. The contrast between the dark metal structure and the bright white snow creates a visually striking, modern aesthetic that balances industrial design with the calm beauty of nature. A vibrant and cozy outdoor living space in front of a modern home built from repurposed blue shipping containers. The scene is set at dusk, with warm string lights and colorful lanterns illuminating the area, creating a festive and inviting atmosphere. At the center, a round fire pit glows softly, surrounded by a mix of patterned rugs, floor cushions, and an orange leather sectional sofa adorned with colorful, bohemian-style pillows. The eclectic mix of textures and hues, deep reds, blues, and earthy tones adds to the warm, desert-inspired aesthetic. Inside the house, visible through large sliding glass doors, the interior exudes the same cozy charm, with wooden finishes, ambient lighting, and a dining area centered under a striking pendant lamp. Cacti and desert plants frame the outdoor space, blending seamlessly with the sandy ground and relaxed, artistic vibe of the home. Overall, the image captures a perfect fusion of modern container architecture and bohemian desert living, a place designed for comfort, creativity, and connection. A cozy modern cabin built from shipping containers, nestled deep within a snowy forest. Warm golden lights glow from inside, creating a beautiful contrast against the cold blue tones of the snow-covered surroundings. The cabin features large glass sliding doors that open to a spacious wooden deck, softly blanketed with snow. On the deck, a crackling fire pit burns brightly, casting a warm, inviting light that reflects on the snow. A wood-burning stove inside adds an extra touch of comfort, visible through the glass. The soft flicker of firelight illuminates the cabin's wooden interior, which exudes warmth and tranquility. String lights line the roof's edge, enhancing the cabin's magical winter atmosphere. Cozy chairs with fluffy blankets are placed outside, offering a perfect spot to enjoy the serene, snow-filled landscape. Overall, the scene captures a peaceful retreat that blends modern design with nature's raw beauty, a perfect winter escape for relaxation and solitude.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.